crummy at home, so decided to come out and work on the unit by myself. I got like those hoses hang up and that hood hung up, which is kind of nice. So try and save a little space inside here. Still working at it all the time to keep it cleaned out and keep it organized and keep things moving in here, because look, there's a whole bunch of stuff outside. Look at the car though. The car looks sick. Get the Lexus here too. Car looking sick though. I gotta figure out what to do next. I think next we're gonna start ripping out the dash maybe, so we can get more of the harness out. Can't really see. Ripping out the dash so we can get the rest of the body harness and all the other stuff out. I think I'm gonna rip the whole body harness, and once we get the motor and transmission in, we'll piece together back the body harness so we can get like tail lights and stuff like that. Brake lights, tail lights, headlights, and such. But yeah, I want a pretty stripped chassis so we can weld her up and do all that stuff. We set up Tom's welder, so that's all set. We just need a, I think I'm gonna find a generator, a nice generator I can run here so we can run the welder. We're strapped for options with the shops, so gotta do what we gotta do, unfortunately. Well, I gotta look at the car some more. That duckbill looks sick. Glad we saved this one, or saving it, I should say. Really glad about that, for sure. You guys excited for what's inside of this? See if I can get it off one-handed. Oh. Hold up. Oh, that was nasty. Look at that. Yummy. Blech. Mice, man. They ruin dust. They ruin everything, bro. Wow, that was really not fun. But it's out, and we can see the whole harness. The whole box. I had to separate it to get it out, and part of it fell apart, and it's disgusting, let's be honest. So, but I got it out. So let's try and see if we can get the harness on this side. Ooh, caught on the door. All right, let's give this a tug. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Let's go. Finally. That was fun. Let's make this disappear. Engine harness has been deleted. I gotta try and snipe some zip ties one-handed. One, maybe two. Let me try this left-handed. There we go, that's better. Two, and three. Oh, wait, there's a fourth. Come on, little buddy, time to leave. There you go. Let's see, what's this? Gotta get rid of that stuff. Well, the rest of the harnesses have been deleted. Deleted. Thing's huge. Engine harness deleted. Let's go. Having an empty bay is nice. Good progress. Inside of the car. I started on the interior body harness. It's gotta go up to there, I think, and then to that. But I think I gotta start over there and work my way all the way around the back to here. Right to there. See how this goes. All right, I got it all undone from down at the passenger side, all the way up. And then now I'm going through here, and then around there, and then back to the driver's side. So it's just undoing clips and plugs and stuff like that. So not too bad, but we're getting there. All right, that interior, the back half of the interior harness is out. There she is. Honestly, probably one of the easier ones to do because it's all exposed already. But yeah, ran out all through all this, all the way around through there. We're good to go on that though, so that's sweet. That's a big headache. I gotta figure out how to disconnect it from there. But we'll get there. There it is. All the wiring harnesses for a 240SX. We got front body harness, we got an engine harness, and we got the rest of the body harness, the interior harness. It's a lot of wires, a lot of connectors, but not bad stripping it all down. It'll give us good access to get in here, you know, get all the wires and stuff out of our way so we can really work that. Yes, that is pavement down there. So that's gonna help a huge bit. And then the other part that's gonna help a lot is clean engine bay. So I gotta pick more of this out of the engine bay. I gotta get the wiper motor out and that stuff. So finally getting to work on the car though is awesome. So it feels good. I don't know when you guys are gonna see this. Probably in two-ish weeks, maybe more. But yeah, picking away at, oh, there's that crash bar we talked about. Sweet. I've just been picking at things here. Took that stupid horn off, just brackets and, you know, the battery plastic piece and ground. And I'm gonna pull the brakes out at some point, pull the rest of the fuel lines out. Actually, I can pull that other fuel line out right now. But yeah, just getting as much as I can out of the engine bay so we can start chopping her up. She's gonna get chopped right up. I gotta get under the cowl to get the rest of the stupid wiper thing off. Well, either way, she just looks so naked. Love it. Love the nakedness. All right, a few more things out of the engine bay. I think that's gonna be it for today. We just took a fuel line, a couple brackets, a hose, just like a dumb stuff. There's a hose there, there's a fuel line there, you can barely see, but yeah, I think that does it for today. Just want to thank everybody for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.